everyone, this is NoishiXzen and welcome to a fresh tutorial for our AI series. So if you're not yet subscribed my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and press the bell icon, give a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. So in this video, we are ready to use our new version of AI, which is Gen-2. Okay, it's all now available for every users, but it has some limitations because it is not full version. So if you can pay them, they will give you overall experience and overall, control over this AI. So in this video, we're going to see that how we can easily generate videos. It's time to generate videos with the AI with using the text only. So let's open Gen-2 and see if we can achieve moreover a beautiful cinematic and soothing video. Let's jump to our screen. You can see it's my screen, and first we need to search the Gen-2. We have already opened it. So here's the Gen-2 from the Runway ML. So it's the website. You can find the research Runway. So you will get this kind of interface. It's a small and minimalistic interface from Runway. So for using this Gen-2, you need to simply sign in to Runway and you'll get redirected to this interface also. So here you need to simply log in with your Google or Apple account, or you can easily create your email address. So finally, I simply proceed with my default Google address I've saved for my official Runway app. So you can see it's now it's loading, so it's stops. So you can see it's similarly and minimalistic interface from Runway and ML Group. So you will find this introducing the Gen-2 the generate video with the text prompts, and you'll get this is from the Gen-2 over there. The first version was like Gen-1 to video, and then second one is to text to video. You can try the both if you have enough credits points. So you can also check credits from this from your account, from your workspace, your account. So for this video, we are going to try the new version of the Gen-2. For this, we're going to choose this option, Gen-2, the text to video converter. So if you scroll over there, you will find different kind of examples already shown, and you can try them. So you'll see this one is simply and minimalistic interface from Gen-2. You can easily upload your customized photograph as a reference, or you can easily choose and change any kind of settings. Like you can enable this interpolate, because if you need a smooth video or smooth output within your frames, definitely you need to go with that. And you can upscale and remove watermark by purchasing their subscription. I've already told you guys or mentioned you earlier. So you can simply send some prompts or write some prompts, and you can easily generate this video of something. So a palm tree would be a smallest search for this AI. Beach side. Make sure there are something you need to follow for generating AI videos. So here are some tips for you if you are new this AI era. So you must follow those rules before you continue or proceed for this AI video. So here you can see in this video, you need to simply follow the style. Which style you prefer? A cinematic style, it would be great. Then mention the camera angle you would like to cover. It's a wide angle or close-up shot or any kind of other shots you like. So I would like to go with the close-up one. And then also add some additional camera settings like it will enter motion blur for the realistic feeling. And you need to also figure in some actions or movements. Movement will be like still camera, and there you then you need to also add lighting settings. So for that, we'll go for the sunset. Okay, so sunset, and then we can choose kind of photorealistic render will be like different. Is then yep. So these keywords you can see over there, it's a different different patterns to do this kind of render. Okay, so it's kind of a short things for your AI. You need to follow that, and you can simply hit this generate. Now time to generate this video. Make sure you have enough credits to generate, because you can see over there each seconds of video generation uses 5 credits points. So guys, you can see finally our video is complete. You can play it over there. So you can simply download from this icon. You can see page, press this one and it will automatically start downloading. So here is our click on the screen.